A few weeks ago I got a drone. It was a Wingsland S6. Calibrated, did the software updates as you're required to do. Everything seemed fine. Got it to fly up in the air, no problem. Then suddenly it just took off backwards. And no matter what I did on the control sticks on the Android, took no input, flew over my head and crashed into the house. Usually I'll just go, okay, it's the motor's off, I'll glue it on. But what happened was, it hit with such ferocity, it tore the wire out of the motor, and to get into these little tiny motors, that's pretty much impossible. So I was very disappointed and upset with myself, thinking, oh, you've just spent that much money, $49, but it was with an extra battery. Now if you think about it, these batteries run about $30, so $49, $30, that was $19 for a drone. And they look brand new. They come all wrapped in a package and everything. It's not like refurbished. All right, it's wrapped in a cardboard box and put in with newspapers. No, this looks brand new. So anyhow, I was like, oh, bummed out. And I thought, well, I'll contact the seller and see if he, he can give me some kind of refund or at least give me some feedback. So I sent off a message to him on eBay, which is where I got it from, and the company's called niusolution, one word, okay, bracket 59 star bracket, okay, looks a lot like that. So, and the guy's name was Sean. I wrote up and told him what had happened. He says, okay, well, I need you to send in pictures of the drone and a receipt that you'd actually bought it from us. I thought, no problem, do that. I sent it in. I was going to send video too, but you can't send video, you can't upload it on eBay. So I wrote and said, well, if you want to send me an email, I'll put the file on the email and you can see the video then. But I didn't get that far. After I took photographs of the broken drone, sent off my receipt to him, and I got a reply straight away. It says, okay, Wingsland said they'll replace your drone, you just have to send $15 for postage and packaging. I thought, fair enough. So I did that, and within 3 days, they sent this. They didn't just send a replacement drone, they sent a new drone. Well, they said it's refurbished, doesn't look refurbished to me. But they've sent a drone along with the battery, a new charger, new props. I mean, it's got the whole thing, and I think that was worth sending $15 in for. Definitely worth it, because when you think about it, these drones, right? This is like $49. When I got my first one, that this one replaced, was $49 with a battery. Now these drones, when they first came out, were about $400. So I think it's a win-win situation if you can stop it from taking off like a maniac. I'm tempted to get a controller, but the two cost too much money. Alright, well, thanks for watching.